Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is Elf Day. I love Elf Day because I enjoy seeing everyone's setups, everyone's dolls, and what dolls they're using. It's just really fun. I do this collab with J Dolls UK, Tina from Tina's Reborns, Penny from Playful Reborns, and Dory at Dory's Dollies. We get together and we come up with themes, and each month we give a theme on the 7th of the month, and then on the 21st we show our video of what we have interpreted of elves and the theme. Today was pumpkins and jack-o'-lanterns, and I can't tell you how blessed I am. I could have done 100 things, but I just wanted to show this outfit off again. I dressed my little elf boy Ryan in this little outfit made by Dory's Dollies. She sent this to me in a Happy Mail. Let me move his little hand. This is all handmade. She did all of this by hand. The little outfit is made in a pumpkin shape, and then it has a tie at the top that, well, I wish that was kind of tied more in the front, actually. See the little bow? That is adorable in the green. And then look at this mask she made out of burlap. I always say that Blythes are so cute, fun, and whimsical. They're cute even in a burlap bag. But look how cute they are in a burlap mask. And then there's this hat. Oh my goodness, look at this hat. I love a beret. I love a beret on a Blythe doll. And this one has, I got it on backwards. Let's turn it around. Wait, let's turn it around. There we go, because Dory worked hard on this, and I want to show it as correct as I can. Isn't that adorable? And she did all of this by hand. Look at these little elf boots. Woo-hoo-hoo. Are they the cutest little thing? Oh my goodness. So I just had to show one thing because I knew it would fill up the whole, I love it. It is so cute, so well done. And Dory, I cannot thank you enough. And Dory saved me a lot of time in sewing this month. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jay, Penny, Tina, and Dory. Please go and watch every single channel. If you have an elf video today, please put that in my comments. I really want to see your video, and the hashtags do not work on YouTube anymore, and I don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.